Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a fresh CR 2032 cell and a coin or firm fingertip. Once ready, press down on the stainless steel back of the AirTag and rotate it counterclockwise. This releases the cover. Make sure you lift the cover and remove the battery fully. You do this to interrupt power and allow the internal pairing data to be cleared when you follow the reset sequence. Keep the cover and battery handy. You will use them immediately in the next steps. Once the battery is out, reinsert it and press down firmly until you hear a chime. This tells you the AirTag has power. Make sure to remove the battery again, then repeat reinserting and pressing a total of 5 times. You want 5 separate chimes. This sequence clears the old Apple ID pairing. While doing this, keep pressure consistent and don't rush. If you miss a press, the sequence won't register. After the 5th confirmed tone, the AirTag is ready to be rejoined to a different device. You finish by placing the stainless steel cover back onto the AirTag, aligning the 3 tabs, and rotating clockwise until it locks with a click. Once assembled, bring the AirTag near your iPhone and open Find My to confirm it no longer shows as linked. This lets you reassign it. If the AirTag still appears paired, make sure the battery is brand new and repeat the 5-press sequence, pressing firmly. Weak battery contact or missed chimes are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.